College hacks, life hacks every student should master. Life hack, transform your laptop bag into a backpack. Life hack, envelop a chilled beer in a moist paper towel and refrigerate for 15 minutes. It will be sufficiently chilled for consumption upon removal. Life hack, a fan works. If you lack an AC unit, a fan is also effective. Life hack, when delivering a presentation, arrange for a friend to pose a question to which you are already aware of the answer. Life hack, use meme font. Incorporate a meme font style for your presentations. Life hack, simplify it. Create an easy meal using a coffee maker. Life hack, retrieve the Wi-Fi passcode. Discover Wi-Fi passwords at various places by reviewing Foursquare comments. Life hack, consume beverages discreetly in public. Learn discreet ways to consume beverages in public, specifically at the beach. Life hack, conceal alcoholic beverages. Covertly bring alcohol into festivals or outdoor events using a hollowed-out baguette. Life hack, snack with style. Opt for snacks that require less effort than digging into a bag of potato chips. Life hack, use a glass of water to reheat pizza in the microwave. Maintain pizza toppings moisture and crust crispiness by reheating with a glass of water in the microwave. Life hack, utilize 3M hooks to secure a tablet in any desired location. Enjoy impromptu Tim and Eric marathons wherever you are. Life hack, own short charging cords. Secure a power strip near your bed by taping it to your nightstand, preventing tangled cords and minimizing the chances of plugs coming loose. Simply poke holes in the tape. Life hack, when your laptop gets too hot on your lap, create an instant bed lap desk by flipping one of these over and placing the laptop on top. Life hack, and finally, master the art of Moroccan gourmet. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.